Welcome to Exit Through the Gift Shop. Today we're doing a classic tour of Universal Studios Hollywood. We're going to check out some shows, some rides. Of course, we're going to spend a little time in Springfield, home of the Simpsons. Inside Moe's Tavern, got myself an ice cold Duff beer. Can't get enough of that wonderful Duff. Hey Barney, why so sad? Going to try our luck at the love tester inside Moe's Tavern. Here we go, holding the handle. Ah, lukewarm. Could be worse. And in Springfield, we're going to taste one of the delicacies, a giant lard lad donut with sprinkles. Time for the classic Universal Studio Tour, now hosted by Jimmy Fallon.
The picture cars and props and set pieces on either side of the tram were used in Steven Spielberg's Jurassic World films. We do keep some dinosaurs back here. Keep your eyes peeled. They're in their cages. Oh, that cage is empty. Oh, so is that one. Uh-oh. They might have gotten out. Back there. I said it precariously over a cliff in the film The Lost World, but this wasn't really a cliff. And the Grinch was a really bad neighbor, but if you ask me, the Who's of Whoville have a much worse neighbor out here on the back lot. So on the back lot, they live next door to a psycho. They live next door to Norman Bates, star of Alfred Hitchcock's classic thriller Psycho. This is the Bates Motel. At the top of the hill, you'll see the Psycho house. And am I psycho, or did I just spy with my little eye the silhouette of what looked like Norman Bates? I don't know, let's hang out here a second, see if I'm right. Ooh, okay, yeah, what's he up to? Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh, good, you just scared him. Bye, Norman. That was super rude, pulling out a knife. However, this is a really old part of our lot. We're actually not supposed to let this effect go on for too long. This weird stuff's happening back here, but oh, it's happening. Everybody, hold on. We did have a flash flood. Al Roker was right. That one wasn't real either, though. That's recycled water being released from tanks at the top of the hill. Congratulations, you just survived Earthquake the Big One, a recreation of a very large-scale earthquake. That is a great example of the large-scale mechanical effects that we have available to us here at Universal that we use in our disaster films.
Enjoying a butterbeer inside of the Hogshead. This is a nice, cool cream soda type brew with a nice frothy top.
Get it on like a negative spectre. Who's stepping in the aisle to get ya? Summer beat like a leprechaun. Get it on, get it on. Can you dance like a hippogriff? Da 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 da. Flying off from a cliff. Da 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 da.
Yeah, that's a prize.
There's a hole in the wall. I should probably stick my hand in.
Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, I must ask all of you to remain in your seats for the duration of this stunt. Brian, the set is yours.
Cameron, are you ready? Ready. Chris, are you ready to burn? Ready.
Ready and action.
Lighting! You're lit!
Ten seconds, Chris.
Humans of Earth, I shall return. When I do, you shall beg, you shall plead, and you shall scream. All hail Lord Megatron! See you in your nightmares.
Please remember to subscribe so you can check out all of our latest adventures. Check out our interactive map to see all the other theme parks and attractions we've been to.
To defend the
Until
Ukraine.
next time, it's time to
That
exit
is
through the
the
gift
sort of
shop.
spirit we need.
Yeah. Hey, what are you looking at?